I bet you didn't know that TiO₂ coatings could revolutionize your design projects. Let's explore how. Imagine a paint or water-based coating that not only looks stunning but also makes your spaces healthier. That's what TiO₂ or titanium dioxide coatings and paint bring to your projects. They offer unmatched brightness and vibrant colors that make any room pop. But here's the real magic. These coatings purify the air. They break down harmful pollutants, reduce allergens, and even fight bacteria and mold. This means cleaner, safer spaces for everyone, especially those with sensitive immune systems. And let's not forget the practicality. TiO₂ coatings are mixed hydrophobic, hydrophilic, so spills and stains, no problem. Textiles, curtains, window blinds, artworks, indeed all coated surfaces are protected too. Treated surfaces have a long-term self-cleaning effect, much like Pilkington's self-cleaning glass. Light is the active agent here. They're easy to clean and maintain, saving you time and effort. Just wipe surfaces with a damp microfiber cloth. By incorporating TiO₂ coatings into your designs, you're not just adding beauty, you're boosting durability and health benefits. Give your clients interiors that are not only gorgeous but also sustainable and health conscious. Embrace the future of interior design with TiO₂ coatings.